Good morning, everyone. My today's video topic is federalism. This is from chapter class 10, chapter 2. So, explanation of Hanan Sekang, we will know what is federalism. So, federalism ni ang duita definition renai. So, first one is what federalism is. Federalism is a system of government in which the same territory is controlled by two levels of government. So this is one definition of federalism. Now I'm going to give you the other definition of what federalism is. Federalism is a system of government in which power is divided between a central and a state government. So the duita definition federalism ni angrimani they are both same, only the wordings are different. So federalism tama hungangke federalism jezagawo naki power like divided into in which the power is divided between the state and the central government. It is called federalism. So federalism tamna hinke je state to naki power divide khaijago between state by central government by abano no federalism. One example I will give you. The best example is our country India. See, in our country India also power is divided between the central and the state government. So I can give you the example of our country also. The best example will be the USA. So sin country India wo bota mung ke kaise state no run khaina ni hinke state to exon run khainai tongo state to ke state government run khayo and as well as central government or state no nasigo. So India can be the best example of what federalism is. So federalism ni importance rock sangtabu nai already definition tori rekha. The importance of federalism, I have chosen 4 importance of federalism. So first importance first importance is decentralization. So decentralization is a key political idea in federalism. Tab decentralization tamna hinka when power is taken away from the central and state government and given to local government, it is called decentralization. I repeat once again, when power is taken away from the central and state government and given to local government, it is called decentralization. So decentralization tamna hinke power jefro naki state te central government ni je power tongoni abo local government no rajago abono ganke decentralization hanjago. Example, in urban areas it is called municipality and in village it is called panchayat. So the state by central government ni power tongmani abo urban area abo ganke municipality ni rajago ar village level of ganke panchayat ni power rajago. So this is decentralization, and in decentralization there are 3 tiers of 3 tiers of government, that is Jila Parishad, Panchayat Samiti and Gram Panchayat. Mane decentralization or je 3 tiers ni bisingo power divided khaijago. Highest level of tongo Jila Parishad, second level of tongo Panchayat Samiti, and third or the lower level of tongo Gram Panchayat. So the Gram Panchayat work under the supervision of the Gram Sabha. Okay, Gram Panchayat sabni andaro kam khainke Gram Sabha ni andaro kam khayo. Okay, ajaga ni sabo member of khobjak, I mean Gram Panchayat ni member of sabo khobjak ke all the voters in the village are its member. Mane parawo je voter tongai rok voters mane joto je 18 years and above borok joto no Gram Panchayat ni member hisabe khobjabo. Next is when Gram Panchayat are grouped together, they form a Panchayat Samiti or block or mandal. Gatamo when Gram Panchayat are grouped together, afro ganke Panchayat Samiti form unko. Panchayat Samiti or block ebake mandal form unko. The members of the Panchayat Samiti are elected by all the Panchayat members in that area. Okay, Panchayat Samiti ni members rong sab elect khai ke ग्राम पंचायत नि जे मेंबर्स दंनाय रok borok se panchayat samiti ni members rok no elect khaibo muntike elect khai ke through voting system. Next is all the panchayat samitis or mandal in a district together constitute the Jila Parishad. Kalau katamu Jila Parishad to hingke sabo member ngai hingke all the panchayat samiti or mandal in a district together. Panchayat samiti ni member panchayat samiti ebake mandal ni je member tongmani district ni borok jotno together ke form khaibo Jila Parishad. Members of Lok Sabha, MLA of the district level bodies are the members of Jila Parishad. Sab Jila Parishad ni member ke members of Lok Sabha, MLA of district level bodies are the members of Jila Parishad. So over hangke decentralization part ni explanation. So next is communication. Communication is also important in federalism. When political authority is concentrated in a central point, communicating with the authority can be difficult for people who live far away from that central point. Federalism solved this problem. Communication pato when political authority is concentrated in a central point, communicating with authority can be difficult for people who live far away from that central point. যে পয়েন্ট নাকি লাইক পলিটিক্যাল অথরিটি যে একটা পয়েন্ট কনসেন্ট্রেট খাই তমানি আ জায়গাও তামুং থাঙ্গাঙ্কে যে আ সেন্ট্রাল পয়েন্ট বাই যে হাসালো তংনাই রক আবরংনি বাগৈ হিংকে কিসা কমিউনিকেশন খাইনানি বাগৈ ডিফিকাল্টি হই থাঙ্গো বিকজ দে বরক আ যে মেইন পয়েন্ট বাই অনেকনো হাসালো দङ সো ইট ইজ ভেরি ডিফিকাল্ট ফর দেম টু কমিউনিকেট गा आमती हाई जागाव हंका तामंग गंके फेडरलिज्म अब हाई प्रॉब्लम नो सॉल्व खायो बिकॉज फेडरलिज्म गंके तो आगिनो साजक जे power is divided between the central and the state government. For example, like if we want to demand anything from the central government, sometimes we are very far from that central government. Tamang gangke azagawa state government but through process system ke sang thangi abno demand khai mano because sini state ni government rok tongo. So through the state government also we can reach the central government for demanding our needs. Next is unity. Federalism unites several different regions under a central government. Okay, federalism mo kaisa tamo unity bo kaisa important for because federalism unites several different regions under a central government. Tamo hangke central government of hangke joto state ni member no azaga wotongo ba joto state ni representatives no central hangke malalai tongo. So kaisa country ba not country kaisa state ni tai kaisa state ni leader by malalayo atta kaisa state ni leader by malalayo. So in this way unity bo ngai phayo. Next is diversity. Federal governments support regional diversity. Gatamo federalism diversity is also important. Tabuk diversity mane tamo hongke difference no hono diversity. Our country India is called unity in diversity. Mane some different like different in the sense like different in religion, different in dresses, different in languages. Despite of having so many differences, our country are united together. Apuno hono unity in diversity. So or diversity no federalism support khayo. So with the autonomy and variety enabled by a federal setup, it is clear why it is often a popular choice for larger nations. So ani opposite explanation of kanawoi hoito many of you can guess tangai federalism no sini India was support khai because decentralization mane where power is divided between three tiers of government or else decentralization mane when power is taken away from the central and the state government and then given to the local government, it is called decentralization. And then tarpore tongo communication ketai unity tongo where federalism unites several different regions and then last tongo diversity. So federalism also support diversity. Thank you.